To remove a credit card from your Afterpay account, follow these steps. Log into your Afterpay account via the app or website. Navigate to Payment Settings. In the app, tap the My Afterpay tab, then scroll down to Payment Settings. On the website, click on Account in the top left corner, then select Payment Methods. Select the card you wish to remove and tap or click on it. Remove the card. In the app, tap Remove this payment method, then confirm by tapping Remove. On the website, click the 3 dots next to the card and select Remove, then confirm. Important notes: you cannot remove a card if there are active orders associated with it. Ensure all orders linked to the card are completed, or change the payment method for those orders before removing the card. If you encounter issues, try logging out and back into your account, or contact Afterpay customer support for assistance. If this guide was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.